In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Adobe Creative Cloud plan. We'll be doing this through the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, and from there, Adobe will take us to the account page in a web browser where all of your subscription and billing controls are located. This is useful if you want to review your current plan, make account changes, or simply understand where these settings live. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the upper right corner. There you should see an option labeled Adobe Account or Manage Account, depending on the version of the app you're using. Go ahead and click that. After you click it, your default web browser will open and take you directly to your Adobe account page. This is the main area where you can view your subscription details and manage your Creative Cloud plan. If you want to make changes to your subscription, find the option to manage your plan and click it. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where Adobe gives you the ability to update your current plan or cancel your subscription if needed. Take a moment to review the options carefully before making any changes. This area is especially helpful if you're comparing plan choices or checking what is currently active on your account. If you select Change Payment, Adobe will let you update the payment method currently connected to your account. This is the place to go if your card has expired, if you want to switch to a different payment method, or if you simply need to keep your billing information up to date. Keeping this section current can help you avoid interruptions to your subscription. You'll also see an option to view billing history. Clicking this will show your past billing activity, which can be helpful if you want to confirm previous charges, review invoice timing, or keep track of your subscription payments over time. If you ever need to verify a charge, this is usually the fastest place to check. That's really all there is to it. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app, go to Adobe Accounts or Manage Account, and then use the browser-based account page to manage your plan, update your payment method, or review your billing history. Once you know where these options are, managing your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription becomes much quicker and easier.